everyone, I'm back. Since we last talked, we know how much AI has been dominating our topics. Most of the AI tools create mocks, so we're so scared that AI gonna take our jobs and we're the designer's future. And today I want to address this. Hopefully that will help you clear your mind and know how to move forward from here. If you haven't tried it, I highly encourage to go to an AI tool and create a design. And you know immediately that at least currently, AI can't replace us. Sure, the UI might look decent, but the workflow itself is just not usable yet. Some PMs and engineers start to pitch their ideas with the UI created UIs, and then immediately we know it's not usable. Why? Because we know the design thinking. We know how user thinks. We know how to put users' needs first. AI knows the theories too, but does it understand it? I don't think so. Regardless how beautiful this UI AI is able to create, it really lacks of the combination of empathy and design thinking. But you say some experienced PMs and engineers could modify it, give it more prompt to make it more usable. But if you have tried it, it's actually really difficult to make it right. Like how many hours of prompts you have to put into in order to make the user experience smooth, like human made. But I don't want to dismiss the capability of AI gives us. And also I want to highlight designers with AI capability is maximizing our skills. There's two overlapping paths that I encourage you to try. One is try to think more like an entrepreneur. Try to think that I am one person CEO who's addressing this problem using AI. I encourage you to go to Figma, create certain keyframes. That way you're actually giving guardrail to the AI to create something that's more powerful and have AI figure out all the details. AI can code, so you use your design, code immediately, like with real data. You could bring that tool to real users. If it's amazing, go launch it, right? Who's stopping us? It's not conflicting with the first path. The second path is be at your current position. Rethink all the problems with AI, with the capability AI can give us, how to customize for our users using AI. That's very powerful. That's what all the corporation leaderships are looking for from you, from designers who are very creative. For example, back then we are talking about customization. We have to mock each individual one user personas out in order to present to our stakeholders to get buy-in. Now we can use AI to populate different personas use cases with real data. How amazing that would be. I would want to encourage you to work with your cross-functional partners on this AI collaboration. Everyone brings some sort of information for this AI to be a little bit better. So the outcome for our users is better. In conclusion, as long as human civilization is here, designer is going to be here. I don't want you to spend energy worrying about losing your job. I want you to go to AI. Design stuff that's amazing and people want to use, or just some personal projects that you're passionate about that you haven't been able to do because you don't have the coding skills. So go for it. I think the future is ours. Bye.